Dull and dry skin is very common, especially in winters. Just like you need to feed your body in order to stay healthy, you so need to feed your skin as well for your skin to look healthy and young. This is Mini Diman and you're watching TheHealthSite and India.com. In today's video, I am going to share a list of food items that you can add to your diet for your skin to look younger and fresher.
Avocado is a fruit that comes from avocado tree. Although when it comes to its pricing, it's pretty expensive, but it truly is worth the price because avocado is incredibly nutritious as it contains almost 20 different vitamins and minerals, and it does wonders to your skin as well. It helps to prevent dry skin and soothes skin condition. It can help prevent acne as well. Avocado has anti-aging properties in it as it is full of vitamin E and leaves your skin hydrated. Walnuts. We all know walnuts is great for the brain and helps sharpen the memory. But not just that, it can do wonders to your skin as well. Consuming walnuts on a regular basis can help make your skin look younger and refreshing as it helps exfoliate the dead skin cells. Thanks to vitamin E in it, walnuts has anti-aging properties and can even add glow to your skin. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin C and E and both contributes majorly to the health of the skin. Vitamin C helps boost collagen and helps in tightening of the skin. And vitamin E leads to reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps delay the aging process. Thus, for a glowing and younger looking healthy skin, include sweet potatoes to your diet. Kiwis. Kiwis are great when it comes to skincare. In fact, did you know that kiwis have more vitamin C than oranges? Vitamin C is great for the skin. It acts as an antioxidant and helps boost the collagen, which in turn helps to keep the skin clear and hydrated. It is also said that its consumption can help protect the skin from UV damage. So apart from all the sunscreens, add kiwis to your diet as well. Flax Seeds. Flax seeds are also good for the skin as it has omega-3 fatty acids in it. This helps reduce the harmful effects of UV rays, pollution and dust from the skin. It helps tackle the dry skin too. In fact, flaxseed oil helps make the skin look clear and smoother.
So consume a healthy diet and include all these items to your diet. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content. Stay healthy, stay safe.